So that is the end of day 5. As you can see, the wind is coming in now. We're due to have a really big storm tonight, which will clear the 33 degrees that we've had the past couple of days. So we are just on a dog walk. The storm's due in about an hour and a half. So we went out to Pizza Express for some dinner, nice and early, because it's been so warm. We really wanted to eat, but dinner was really lovely, and we're gonna get some snacks from Tesco's and go back and just chill, and then wait for the storm to come, because that might be quite nice to watch from the balcony. And yeah, that's the end of day 5. It's been really nice, it's been really chill. Tomorrow we're going to St. Michael's Mount, I think it's called. My husband said that the crossings are better. Yes, my husband said that the crossings haven't been great this week due to the weather. So tomorrow I think we've got like an hour and 15 minutes to make the crossing. So we're going to do that tomorrow morning. I think it's about an hour's drive from here. Go do that, have a look around and come home. And then make the most of our last afternoon before we have to drive home on Saturday. We have to check out at 10, so we have still got a lot of time. It's just depressing because we don't want it to be over. So I will see you in day 6. I'll take you to St. Michael's Mount and we will see what that's like. See you in the next one. Bye.